There are many different approaches at vegetation management, and often mowing is required for site accessibility and ordinances. But if your mission is wildlife conservation and attraction of pollinators and different birds and different species of wildlife, mowing entire areas is not always recommended. For example, in a case you would need to mow would be where you do have vehicles pulling out and they could potentially ignite fires from catalytic converters and manifolds in tall grass. But mowing really is not that great for wildlife especially if you do it year-round during the breeding season. It has a propensity to establish a very thick thatch on the ground if you have a lot of vegetation, and then that makes seed and food inaccessible for many species like mourning dove, bobwhite quail, and even some of the little winter sparrows. The other advantage is if you can let the plants do their full cycle, flower and go to seed, you also have a beautiful vista. So in areas where you don't have to mow, one way to attract wildlife to your yard and your land and even the roadside, if you have slow traffic, is to let wildflowers grow and native grasses grow. And so we have over here to this side an area that is not mowed versus an area that is mowed frequently, and it gives you an idea of the difference in the vegetation structure and the plant diversity, and in my opinion, the general beauty of the landscape. And this not mowing regime, where you really don't mow until winter and you let your plants go to seed and flower, attract pollinators and give birds that migrate something to eat as they pass through. And this is very important too for our resident species like northern bobwhite quail, mourning doves, and even our common birds like cardinals. So great if you can let some wildflowers grow.